In this video, I'll show you how to fix overexposed pictures taken with the Instax Mini like this and turn them into something like this. Hi, this is Mateo. Welcome to my channel. So you have the Instax Mini 8 camera or the Mini 9. The Mini 9 is the same thing as the Mini 8. It just has a selfie mirror on the lens. And you found some nice landscape outside, let's say on your summer vacation, and you want to take a picture. You point the camera tells you to turn it to the very bright setting. You turn it there, you take a picture, and the picture comes out like this. It's just kind of overexposed and blah. Not happy. So what's the problem? The short answer is that this camera can handle bright scenes. If you care about the technical explanation, keep watching the second part of the video. To fix this problem, we have to decrease the amount of light that the lens sees. And to do so is we can use our sunglasses. So the way I do it is I just point the camera into the scene and put the sunglasses right over it like that. And take a picture. Here's a picture taken with the bare lens. And here's a picture taken with the sunglasses over the lens. You can see the clouds in the sky and the picture looks overall much better. So how do you know when to use this sunglasses trick? The first way to tell is when the picture you just took is overexposed like this one. The second and cheaper way to tell if you need the sunglasses is to cover the light meter with the sunglasses. And if the exposure indicator on the camera doesn't change, then you likely need the sunglasses for your picture. If after you put the sunglasses over the exposure sensor, the exposure indicator changes value to something other than very sunny, change it to a setting so you don't end up with underexposed images. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos on how to use the Instax Mini. If you would like to know more technical details on how to use the Instax Mini with bright scenes, keep on watching. Okay, so why the Instax Mini can't handle bright scenes? Exposure is controlled by three things: shutter speed, aperture, and film speed, or the ISO. All the Instax film is ISO 800, so there is no control there. The Instax Mini uses only one shutter speed, which is 1/60th of a second, so you can't change anything there. The only control over exposure is with the aperture of the lens, and that's controlled by this ring on the barrel. The aperture goes from 12.7 to 32. So 12.7 is the indoor setting, and 32 is the very bright, very sunny setting. I have a little cheat sheet on my camera that reminds me of what these aperture ranges are. The problem is that for a lot of outdoor scenes, the combination of these settings results in overexposed pictures. So one solution is to use the sunglasses, as I showed you in the first part of the video. A more sophisticated solution is to use an ND filter like this one. So ND filter, it means a neutral density filter. All it does is decrease the amount of light that gets through it into your lens. ND filters come in two different flavors. One is fixed density, and the second one is variable density. In the variable density filters, you twist the filter and it becomes darker with twisting. Variable density filter of this size can be bought for about $20 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. So the ND filter has a couple advantages over the sunglasses. Sunglasses come only in one density and usually come with a tint. ND filter has no tint, and you can dial the density to whatever you want. In the first part of the video, I showed you a simple trick if you need the sunglasses, and that is to put the sunglasses over the exposure meter. You can do the same with the ND filter, but the better way is to use a smartphone as a light meter. You set the ISO to 800, the shutter speed to 1/60th of a second, and then you point it at your scene. If the f-stop indicated is more than f32, then your picture will come out overexposed and you need the sunglasses or the ND filter. You can also use the free light meter app to determine how dark to make your ND filter. You just put the ND filter over the camera of your lens and open up the light meter app. If the aperture is anywhere between 12.7 and 32, you're good. You can use your Instax camera. If it's less than 12.7, then you made it too dark. If it's more than f32, the ND filter is not dark enough and you have to make it darker to bring it to the Instax camera range. If you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate for you watching. Feel free to comment if you'd like to see any particular videos on the Instax Mini. Oh yeah, please subscribe. That really helps me out.